Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Encode, Learn to Code app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Encode is a Learn to Code app focused on interactive, bite-sized lessons and hands-on projects for beginners and intermediate learners. It offers language tracks like Python, JavaScript, HTML/CSS, and more, with step-by-step exercises, real-time code editors, quizzes, and mini-projects. The app is available on mobile and web, and includes progress tracking, achievement badges, and guided learning paths to help users build practical skills. The app's main strengths are its interactive exercises and project-based approach. You write code inside the app, see instant feedback, and complete real projects that build a portfolio. Lessons are short and gamified, which helps with motivation and daily practice. The onboarding and beginner paths make it easy for new coders to start without feeling overwhelmed. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Encode for its clear explanations, hands-on practice, and practical projects that reinforce learning. The app's instant feedback and in-app code runner make debugging and experimentation easy, and its structured paths help learners progress from basics to applied tasks. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced learners may find the content limited compared to full-length courses or boot camps, and some language tracks may be less comprehensive. The best features, deeper project libraries, offline access, and certification, often require a paid subscription. Additionally, learning complex topics thoroughly still needs supplementary resources like documentation, larger projects, or mentor support. In summary, the Encode app may be worth using if you're a beginner or intermediate learner who benefits from interactive, project-based practice and short daily lessons. However, if you need very deep, advanced coursework or mentorship, you may need to supplement Encode with other resources. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.